Good morning, my dear student. My dear student, today I am studying the chapter cash book in accountancy. First of all, we will discuss what is the meaning of the cash book, my dear student. It is written, cash is used for recording all the transactions related to cash receipts and cash payment. Yes, my dear student, if there is a cash dealing and transaction, then we will record in the cash book, and if there is no cash dealing, if there is a credit dealing, then it will not be recorded in the cash book, my dear student. So there are the two types of cash book. Number one is a simple cash book, and number second is a double column cash book. First of all, we will learn the simple cash book, my dear student. But before learning the simple cash book, first of all, we will discuss the format of the cash book, my dear student. This is the format. It is available in your book, my dear student. This is a format. But my dear student, this is the format I have discussed here. This is a date column. This is a particular column, my dear student. Then this is the amount column. Then date, particular, amount. And my dear student, in this format you can see very easily that there is a two side, and two side is a debit side, my dear student. And this is a buy side, my dear student, and buy side is a credit side, my dear student. So there is a T-shaped format, my dear student. One side is a two side and other side is a buy side. Two side is a debit side and buy side is a credit side, my dear student. At the top we have written, my dear student, cash book. First of all, we have to understand what is cash. We know very well about it that cash is assets, and this is a rule of accountancy that assets are debit, my dear student. And already we are watching in this format that two side is a debit side. So cash is the asset, assets are debit, and two side is a debit side. It means, my dear student, two side is positive side for cash book, and buy side is negative side for cash book. So it means if we are saying that two side is a positive side of the cash book, so it means two side is a cash received side. Cash received side. All types of cash will come in the two side, my dear student. And buy side is a cash पेमेंट साइड, माय डियर स्टूडेंट. इट्स मीन्स अगर पैसा आएगा तो हम कहाँ लिखेंगे? वी विल राइट इन द टू साइड. पैसा जाएगा तो वी विल राइट इन द बाय साइड, माय डियर स्टूडेंट. तो if there is a cash dealing and transaction, then it will be record. If there is a credit dealing and transaction, then we will not record, my dear student. So we will see that cash is coming or cash is going. So we will check that what is the flow of cash. If cash is inflow, then we will write in the debit side, two side. And if cash is outflow, then we will write the buy side, credit side, my dear student. Now, my dear student, this is a format, and according to this format, now we are discussing one question, my dear student. Yes, now from the beginning it is written, enter the following transactions. Enter the following transaction in a single column cash book. My dear student, single column cash book. In the other language we can say this is a simple cash book. There is a single column and simple cash book is a same thing, my dear student. Now first of all we are coming on the first dealing and transactions, my dear student. The date is 2024, 1st April. It is written cash in hand. My dear student, cash in hand is not a dealing and transaction. This is a balance of cash. Not कैश इन हैंड से कोई पैसा आ नहीं रहा है, कोई जा नहीं रहा है, बट ऑलरेडी दिस अ कैश इन हैंड. इट्स मीन्स दिस अ कैश इज हैंड, मतलब कैश इन योर पॉकेट, कैश इन योर लॉकर, कैश इन योर ऑफिस. दिस इज अ कैश इन हैंड, माय डियर स्टूडेंट. तो इट्स मीन्स दिस इज अ बैलेंस ऑफ कैश. And we know very well about it that cash is assets and assets are debit. So this balance we will write in the debit side, my dear student. So now we will check that what is the amount of cash balance. Amount is a 50,000, my dear student. So my dear student, now we will come in the format in the cash book, and you can check very easily that first of all we will write the 2024 1st April, and in the two side we will write to balance BD brought down, and amount will come the 50,000, my dear student. So we have written in the debit side because this is a balance of cash. So balance of cash, cash is the assets are debit. So that's why this is the reason that we are writing in the debit side the balance. Now we will come the another transactions, my dear student. Another transaction is a April 5. It is written cash purchases. Cash purchases means that we are purchasing the goods but on the cash basis. It means हमने नगद सामान यहाँ पर खरीदा है बेटा. तो if we are purchasing on the cash basis, amount is 10,000, my dear student. The amount is a 10,000. तो इट्स मीन्स इफ वी आर परचेजिंग द गुड्स, तो क्या होगा, कैश का फ्लो क्या होगा, कैश डेफिनेटली कैश विल गो फ्रॉम द बिजनेस. इफ वी विल परचेज गुड्स देन कैश विल गो. तो इट्स मीन्स वी विल राइट इन द बाय साइड, because format is saying that if cash is receiving, so we will write in the two side debit side. If cash is going, so then we will write in the buy side credit side. So it means if we are purchasing the goods on the cash basis, so this dealing and transaction we will write in the buy side, my dear student. So you can check very easily that now we are coming in the buy side that this is a date 5th April and by purchase, and the amount is, my dear student, here 10,000, my dear student. Now we will come in the another point. This is a cash purchase, cash sales. What's the meaning of the cash sales? Cash sales means that we are selling goods on the cash basis, not credit basis. On the cash basis we are selling goods. It means if we will sell out the goods on the cash basis, so cash will come. If cash will come, so definitely we will write in the two side debit side, my dear student. So now we can check the amount. First of all, the amount is, my dear student, 8,000. Now we can check. It is written, my dear student, now that in the two side debit side to sales, the date is here 8 April and the amount 8,000 is here, my dear student. So like this, if cash is coming, then we will write in the two side. If cash will go, then we will write in the buy side, my dear student. Only this is the thing in the cash book that we have to do, my dear student. Now another point, the date is 15th April. Purchased furniture. At present we are purchasing a furniture. Definitely, my dear student, if we will purchase the furniture, that because of purchasing of furniture, cash will move from the business, cash will goes out. So it means this transaction we will write in the buy side credit side, my dear student. So now you can check very easily that now we will come in the buy side, my dear student, and the date is the 15th April and buy furniture, my dear student. And in the amount column we will write the amount is 5,000, my dear student. The next point is, my dear student, you can check very easily, received commission. If we are receiving the commission, my dear student, it means the cash flow is coming, my dear student. Cash business में आ रहा है. If cash is coming in the business, then definitely we have to write in the debit side, two side, my dear student. So 25th April will come in the two side debit side. Now we can check in the easily, my dear student. This is 25th April. In the two side we will write the two commission received, and in the amount column we will write the amount is 1,000, my dear student. Now we are coming the last point, my dear student. 30th April, they are saying paid rent. It means we are paying the rent. Rent हमने paid करा है. तो amount is, now we are checking the amount. Amount is 6,000, my dear student. Definitely if we are paying the rent, if हमने rent paid करा है, तो cash goes out from the business. If cash is going from the business, then we should write in the buy side, credit side, my dear student. Now we can check very easily. First of all, we have to write the date 30th April, then by rent, because of the rent cash is going, and then the amount 6,000 we will write, my dear student. My dear student, we have written every dealings and transactions in the cash book. Now we have to calculate the balances, my dear student. The two side total is higher, my dear student, 59,000. This total will be transferred in the buy side, my dear student. Now this is 59,000. इस 59,000 में से 10,000, 5,000 and 6,000 amount हमें minus करनी है. Then we can calculate the answer is a 38,000 and this is a balance CD. it's my it means, my dear student, in the beginning, two balance BD brought down. It means the balance of cash in the beginning in the 1st April is a amount is 50,000. But at the end of the month, the balance of cash has changed. This is the buy balance CD, and now we can see that the balance of cash is now 38,000, my dear student. So this is a complete question, my dear student. First of all, we have to write all the transactions related to the cash, the two side or buy side, my dear student. Then after it, we have to calculate the balance. Then this question has finished. According to this solution, now you have to attempt some assignment questions, my dear student. So thank you very much, my dear student, and may God bless you.